YouTube, welcome back to WTF Rc Cars. So we got a new arrival today, so we'll do a quick unboxing of the Arrma EXB Kraton full option roller. Right, so straight out of box, looks quite nicely finished, a lot of nice red anodised on it, nice beefy A-arms and typical Arrma print on the bottom of it. Looks quite good. Nice thick shock towers, and the actual shockers look nice on it as well. I've got nice little red anodised bits all over it. I think that's quite a good addition, the roll cage and the rear wing. Overall it looks quite nice. I've heard a few stories of some of the original diffs, rear diff, not coming with the correct shims, but I think it's par for course of one of these rollers, get it stripped down and top all the diffs off and everything. It's usually worth checking the shockers as well, but they do feel quite good on this. It don't feel like there's any air gaps, but I will be taking the diffs out and checking them. Right, so the first diff we took out was the centre diff. This one was about maybe just under half full. This uses the 100,000 CST diff oil, so I've got some of that. Topped it off, it should be just above the moon gears. So the four little gears there, it should just be close to the top of that, but when I first opened it, it was way down past the cross, just on the sun gear at bottom. And this is the front differential. This was almost completely bone dry. There was very little diff fluid in this one at all. Again, topped it off to just above. It's pretty difficult to see, so I'm trying to get a good camera angle, but when I move down you can just about see it shimmering. So that one's all topped off nicely. And lastly we did the rear one. I've had confirmation it is the correct shims that are in it. You can either have two large, one small, or two small, one large. It is an open diff, so you don't have them metal plates behind the sun gear, the limited slip plates. So we've pretty much got the EXB finished. I've got a nice cooler on it. I'm not sure if you can see from that angle, but I drilled a tiny little O-link cooler to let this go through, and it was a little bit close right down the back there. So you can see I've just took a bit of the edge off. Just make sure it doesn't hit that output shaft. Try and get a good view of it. But yeah, it's nice and clear now. Hobbywing speed controller with the sensor wire running down it into backup motor. So that all fits nice. It's quite nice how it's played out with these parts that I've used. Hobbywing speed control's got nice anodised red ring around it. SAVOX servo is all black and silver, so it does kind of all tie in. Nice cheap aluminium motor heatsink and fan. And at the minute I've got 4S batteries set up. It's got the Fly Sky, I think it's the FG R4, one of the bigger Fly Sky receivers in it. I had confirmation from Wheelspin that the shims are correct in the rear diff on this one, so we've got that checked out. So yeah, it should be good to go. It's looking quite nice. Quite impressed with how it's come out. Got all the wires tidy. Batteries do hold down really firmly in this car, so not bad at all. Thanks again for watching WTF Rc Cars. If you like and subscribe. If you've got any questions, leave below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell.